Hello, my name is AJ. I'm your HYPOXiX coach for today, and we have level 5.1 wall hinge adduction, contralateral. This is the slow version. Contralateral, you learn a lot about exercise science in here, simply means on the opposite side of the body. So we're gonna stand on our left foot today. Band is going to be under the left foot, and we're holding the other end of the band in the right hand. Contralateral, opposite side of the body. Now, if you're working with a HYPOXiX coach and they've suggested some other resistance for you, or sets, or reps, or breath, follow that because that's there to optimize your program. Otherwise, this is a perfect starting place. So let us begin with the ball in between the femurs. The biggest bones in our body are our femurs, our leg bones. Zip up, activation. Inhale. Hiss, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1. Inhale 2. And bluff. Loosen the ribbon, tighten. Inhale. Wall resistance, panorama. Stare at the knee. Loosen the ribbon. Inhale. Inhale. Loosen the ribbon. Inhale. Inhale. Inhale, inhale. Inhale, inhale. Left hip back. Loosen the ribbon. Inhale, inhale. Holy bananas.